Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Inara here with me for a quick maintenance video. This is just brand new, so let's see if we can improve the action of this little guy. We're gonna need basically a couple tools, like a T8, I guess, yeah, for the pivot, which as you can see, it's spinning. Let's see if we're gonna need two. Yes, we're gonna need another guy right over here. And we can use just another T8 right over here. So one just gonna be on the side, the other is gonna be on the other side like so, and just gently unscrew it. So this was probably Loctite in place, I think, with some blue stuff, so nothing too bad. Then we're gonna need a T6, I'm assuming, for these handle screws. And they are spinning also, so that's not the ideal situation, but not a biggie. We're just gonna use the same tactic. So oh, look at this washer. Just lost a washer right there. All right, just keep that in place and just carefully unscrew 1 and 2. There you go. And oh, look at this. Got some Teflon washer right there. That's our pivot. Okay, cool. So we've got, oh, bearings, right. And then we've got this guy, which I'm assuming is gonna be connected, no, wrong assumption, and 3. Like that. So this should come off pretty easily. Very good. Nice G10 scale. That's the stop pin. So you've got the other washer, which is there. Back spacer. And these are just standoffs with the screw in place. So we don't need to remove these. We're just gonna take an alcohol swab right here just to clean it up a little bit, like so, just to clean the internal parts. And let's see if we can improve the action. It was a little bit stiff. I tried to loosen the pivot, but it didn't really work. So I'm hoping that with a thorough cleaning and thorough reassembling, we're gonna be able to improve it. So nice, oops. So nice G10 backspacer. That's pretty nice indeed. All right, so let's do it. It's interesting how the presentation scale is just a G10 scale, and with the washer right there. So we're gonna do washer right over here, okay? And the pivot, as you can see, it's not keyed in, it's not D-shaped, and that's why it was spinning. Not a big deal, but I prefer just the non-spinning pivot, which are easier to take apart. All right, so let's just lube a little bit these. Right over here. So I'm assuming these guys are going like this, you see? So this is an interesting design in my opinion, because it's you got an external, see, Teflon washer, which goes, let's do like that, which goes around the bearing. I'm not sure what is the function of this, but for sure it goes like that. So let's try to use a 10 weight nano oil, I would say. It should do the trick. Just a little drop here and here and here, and just a little one on the detent ball. And let's see what the improvement is gonna be. All right, so don't forget the stop pin right over here. It is a pretty interesting design, this O-ring kind of thing. It's not rigid, there's a little bit of flex to it, so I wouldn't try to flex it too much because it feels a little bit flimsy, not that strong. So let's see. All right, so this is in place like that. And then we're gonna use this guy, and then probably we're gonna do this guy, which is, again, relatively new design to me. I've never seen anything like that. And then we can just align the scale and just have it in place like that, and just align it with the back, like so. All right, and then release a little bit of tension from the blade and just keep it squeezed and check that everything is all right. And I'll start with the pivot like so, and let's see. Oh yeah, that's spinning for sure. So I just try to keep it like that. And we're gonna need another T8 for this operation. So just this and like so. Then just gently tighten this guy, not too much, because yeah, we're gonna fine tune it later. So here we're gonna need a T6 here and the T6 here, I guess, because this guy is gonna be wanting to spin, right? Yeah, so let's just put the 3 of them inside. Okay, spinning, very good. So you see, like in this case, the last one doesn't spin because of this clip, but they could have done the same thing, you know, with these screws, with a D-shaped, I keep banging on my camera, with the D-shaped standoffs. So you don't have anything spinning, and just you've got your screw screwing, and this is the right amount of tension. Let's just check this guy. Okay, and let's see this one. All right, so these are done. So when you perform this task, just be careful, because these T6 are very, very thin, so you don't want to strip them. So that's why you want to be really gentle. Oh yeah, I can feel already the action being improved a lot. So let's see. That's really cool. Look at this. Oh yeah. Blade is perfectly centered. Action super snappy. Look at this. Wow, guys. This has been seriously improved by this little cleanup and tune-up. Look at this. Look at that. Before it was stuck. What was before? Look at this. That's actually really cool. Snappy action. very nice. I would love like another thumb stud on this side, but actually it feels, because the thumb stud it's a little bit on the sharp side, but look at this. Yeah, I kind of like it, guys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.